Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and if you are looking at getting a new black necktie, this video might just be for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, could you do a little overview, a little up close and personal, detailed overview of our necktie? Who am I to say no, but in no way whatsoever with this being provided to me, affect this review, because I am just here to keep it stylish and real. So to get into it, the full length on this tie from tip to the very end is right at 60 inches in length. Now the width right here is right at exactly 3 inches from point to point. And from a material, it's a black, nice sheen to it. On the back side here, you can see you have the strap here to hold the excess. Very nice quality. There's no print or anything that you could see on there. It's just a black material. It's very soft as far as the feel to it. No stretch, just a really nice black tie. Now, as you can see, this is a double Windsor knot with this particular tie. Fits nice and slimming, I should say, for sure. Again, it's very sort of it's not silk, but it's got a nice little sheen to it, as you can see right there. Doesn't look to be wrinkling, and it has definitely a slimmer design, which I gave in those measurements. So if you're looking for a nice, I would say clean, crisp, there's a variety of different colors, tie that's easy to tie, doesn't look like it wrinkles, and just hangs quite nicely. This just might be the tie for you. Hopefully that answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.